3.2 and with the NDA, but this is an opportunity that the NDA alliance partners will not want to give up, specifically when it comes to plum portfolios, cabinet positions or the speaker's position in the Lok Sabha. So here's what I have for you, what's unfolding, for example, in Maharashtra. Because remember, at this point, Shinde Sena is pressing for a cabinet and 2 MOS posts. Shinde Sena is not alone in the aspirations. HAM, Jitin Ram Manjhi, wants a cabinet position in Modi's government. Chirag Paswan of LJP is pushing for similar roles. Now, if these parties and if these leaders want plum positions, you can only guess what other senior leaders with more numbers are asking for. JDS is eyeing, according to our sources, Agriculture Ministry, because there is a lot of farmer-centric issues that JDS deals with. It's got big numbers in Karnataka for BJP. But Chandrababu Naidu of the TDP is pledged support to the BJP, but his numbers have prompted BJP with regard to NDA to form the Sarkar. And we are told it's a long list. 10 demands, conditions have been sent. Lok Sabha Speaker, Finance, Health, Education, Agriculture, Jal Shakti Ministry, plethora of options that TDP has given to BJP to fulfill. And then comes in JDU's Nitish Kumar. Got the numbers in Bihar for the NDA. And now, one of the two kingmakers, he has also placed a demand. Like Andhra Pradesh special status, Nitish Kumar, we are told according to our sources, has also pushed for a special status for Bihar, a greater share of cabinet berths, among others. And that is the reason to extend support for Modi government. So too many ambitions to take care of right now for the BJP. So you look at how clearly there was a bonhomie, a confidence, all smiles at the NDA meeting. But when it comes to discussing business on the table, what have these leaders decided to speak on? So what, according to our sources, NDA allies are asking the BJP, which is the single largest party, of some portfolios to stay in the government. Let's take a look at what sources are telling us. TDP, which has got the maximum numbers, clean sweep for Andhra Pradesh, managing to now come in for BJP. 3 cabinet positions, senior positions and portfolios. Speaker position. Now, Lok Sabha Speaker, you may think, is not very powerful. It definitely comes with its own privileges, immunity and the power. Then 2 MOS positions, Minister of State positions as well when it comes to the portfolios. JDU got the numbers in Bihar and Nitish Kumar, according to our sources, has asked the BJP for 3 ministers at least, union ministers in the cabinet, and special status for Bihar on the lines, for example, of special status for Andhra Pradesh. JDS got the NDA numbers in Karnataka and therefore Agriculture Ministry, because of their farmer-centric issues, they want to push for that as well. Shinde Sena, even though Maharashtra was disappointing to the Bharatiya Janata Party and the NDA, but for the numbers they want 1 ministry and 2 MOS, we are told. This is at a time when Maharashtra is also introspecting what went wrong. LJP, Chirag Paswan, 1 ministry they've asked for and 1 minister of state at least. Now everyone's put forward their demand. BJP will have to sit on the table and decide. HAM, Jitin Ram Manjhi. Remember, this is also the Hindi belt rural heartland that has come to the support of the NDA. Wants Jitin Ram Manjhi as a minister in Modi cabinet. How will it be decided which portfolio comes in? All of this, remember, a lot of deliberations and discussions. I want to bring in, because South has also been the focus, Apurva Jayachandran on this. Apurva, when we talk of, let's say, the TDP or JDS as well, Kumaraswamy, they clearly know that they are in a position to demand from the BJP. How do you think, what portfolios possibly you're hearing, how do you think they are going to push for to say, we'll stay, give us this?
Well, Pooja, it's quite interesting, the developments that will go on. In fact, yesterday, Mr. Naidu also went and joined in the NDA's first meeting that took place there, and there were several discussions held. In fact, our colleague Paulomi there, she had also, talked about several portfolios that had been requested. In fact, what we are hearing is that roughly about 4 major portfolios is what the TDP, Janasena and the BJP-led alliance here is demanding. That's what we are getting to hear. This also apart from 1 top post, that's what we're hearing. In fact, discussions still continue on in the Naidu-led Janasena TDP and BJP alliance here is holding talks as we are speaking. There is yet to be a finalized date on the swearing-in ceremony as well. Remember, it was supposed to be scheduled for the 9th, but now most likely it looks like it's going to be on the 12th. No confirmation on the same, but that's what the TDP sources do tell us out here. One thing that we are getting to know is that these regional parties, be it TDP, the Telugu Desam Party, the JDS and several others, we're seeing them holding the reins there right now in the India alliance. They're the ones who are going to be the deciding factor to see what will be the berth and the seats that will be chosen by them and what will be accommodated as per their requests that will be put forth to the BJP there at the center. That's what we are seeing as well. Naidu had already talked about getting the special status for Andhra Pradesh. Remember, that's been one of the most prominent things. This, apart from getting a capital for Andhra Pradesh. Remember, Andhra Pradesh is a state without a capital, so that's also something that the Telugu Desam Party looks to be merging in the talks and discussions.
Both when it comes to whether it's
several other demands.
JDS, BJP in Karnataka, they were in alliance, or when it comes to, for example, TDP in Andhra Pradesh, as Apurva is also telling us, development, and this will be focus as well. Apurva, stay on with me. Himanshu Mishra also joins in. Himanshu has been consistently tracking the strategies of the NDA. अभी आपके लिए दिन खत्म नहीं हुआ है हिमांशु, अभी भी इलेक्शन सीजन का काफी कह सकते हैं पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. अब पोर्टफोलियो पे शुरू हो गया है डेलिब्रेशन डिस्कशन. कौन आपको लगता है जो अलायंस पार्टनर्स होंगे, किस तरह से पुश करेंगे, कौन सी मिनिस्ट्रीज पे फोकस रहेगा, कैसे बीजेपी डिसाइड करेगी कि अपर हैंड रहे मगर अलायंस पार्टनर्स भी खुश रहें?
देखिए, ये बड़ा मुश्किल सवाल है पूजा, क्योंकि जिस डिस्कशन को आप मुझसे कर रही हैं उसमें मेरा पार्ट नहीं है, सिर्फ नजर है. जिनको प्रेशर बनाना है और जिनको जवाब देने हैं, वो अभी मुझे लगता है बहुत महत्वपूर्ण डिस्कशन जो है अब ऑन हुआ है. चंद्रबाबू नायडू चाहते हैं कि उनको हेल्थ, रूरल डेवलपमेंट, जल शक्ति, अर्बन डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्री मिले और साथ में एमओएस फाइनेंस भी उनको मिल जाए. दूसरी तरफ नीतीश कुमार चाहते हैं कि 3 कैबिनेट बर्थ मिले. चिराग चाहते हैं 1 कैबिनेट और 1 एमओएस मिले उन्हें. एकनाथ शिंदे चाहते हैं कि उनको कैबिनेट भी मिले और इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज के साथ एक मंत्रालय मिले. ये तमाम वो लोग हैं. एसडी कुमार स्वामी चाहते हैं, जीतन राम मांझी चाहते हैं, जयंत चौधरी चाहते हैं. और उसके साथ सबसे बड़ी समस्या ये है कि 2 ऐसे एन फैक्टर हैं, चाहे वो नायडू फैक्टर हो या नीतीश कुमार, दोनों अपने अपने राज्यों को विशेष राज्य का दर्जा यानी स्पेशल स्टेटस देना चाहते हैं. स्पेशल स्टेटस देने के लिए अगर इन दोनों राज्यों को दिया गया तो उसमें आपको प्रोविजन करना पड़ेगा, उसमें चेंज करने पड़ेंगे. स्पेशल स्टेटस के लिए जो आपको अमेंडमेंट है वो करने पड़ेंगे, क्योंकि स्पेशल स्टेटस विशेष परिस्थितियों में दिया जा सकता है या फिर हिली स्टेट जो है वहां पर दिया जा सकता है. इन दोनों स्टेट्स के साथ वो इस तरीके की कोई कंडीशन नहीं है. और ये दोनों स्टेट्स लगातार आज से नहीं, पिछले 15 सालों से जो है वो स्पेशल स्टेटस मांगते हैं. बिहार 15 साल से मांगता है और चंद्रबाबू नायडू 2018 में एनडीए छोड़ के गए थे तो वो स्पेशल स्टेटस के नाम पर गए थे. अब देखना यह है कि कैसे इन दोनों नेताओं को बनाने की कोशिश होगी, कैबिनेट बर्थ से या एक स्पेशल पैकेज जो है वो दिया जा सकता है. फाइनेंस कमीशन की टीम जो है वो बिहार जाने वाली है. जिस तरीके की हमको जानकारी मिली है वो जाएगी वहां, सिचुएशन को रिव्यू करेगी, क्या स्पेशल पैकेज जो है वो दिया जा सकता है. लेकिन बड़ा सवाल यह है कि क्या स्पेशल पैकेज से ये दोनों मानेंगे. नीतीश कुमार के अपने एजेंडे हैं, वो चाहेंगे कि जो है जातीय जनगणना जो हो वो जाए, कास्ट सेंसस हो. क्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी इसके लिए तैयार होगी? चंद्रबाबू नायडू ये जरूर चाहेंगे कि उनके दबाव में जो है एनडीए नजर आए, क्योंकि उनको आंध्र प्रदेश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की वैसी जरूरत नहीं है कि उनको नंबर्स चाहिए वहां पे सरकार बनाने के लिए. वो अकेले दम पर वहां पे अपनी सरकार बना रहे हैं. तो ये जो चीजें हैं ये कहीं ना कहीं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए पिछले 10 सालों में उन्होंने जो है सिर्फ कॉलिशन गवर्नमेंट तो चलाई, लेकिन उस पर पूर्ण बहुमत भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पास तक कोई जाए या रहे, इससे भारतीय जनता पार्टी को बहुत ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. अब फर्क पड़ता है और इसी चीज को देखना यह है कि गठबंधन के प्रेशर को कैसे जो है प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जो है वो निभाते हैं.